There are moments in life when you feel knocked down and lack the strength to get back up. You may try to mask your true feelings, pretending everything is fine when it isn't. You might go home, lie in bed, and when you're alone, the fears creep in. You might be uncertain about the future, scared about what lies ahead, worried about what others think or say about you. These fears can paralyze you. But I want to ask you today, do you believe you have hope? Whenever you hit rock bottom, those negative voices resurface. Every time something goes wrong, they come back, whispering that you're a failure, convincing you that you'd be better off giving up. We often feed ourselves toxic thoughts, never changing our core beliefs. But you will never fully heal or feel whole until you transform the voice inside your head. I've learned to talk to myself positively. I tell myself, you're strong, you can handle this. This is just a temporary setback. The situation you're facing right now doesn't define your future. Confront every negative thought and declare it false. When doubt whispers that you can't make it, that you'll break down or lose control, talk back to those thoughts. Declare, you're lying. I'm building my life stronger every day. Hear the catch. Confront every voice that says you'll never succeed. Failure is a liar. Despair is a liar. Disease is a liar. Any thought that says you can't learn, can't achieve, can't survive is a liar. Reject these voices and push them out. You must have faith in yourself and believe in your abilities. You have ideas and dreams that you might need to revisit and pursue. This is your purpose, why you're here. You need to constantly sell yourself on your potential. Every day, when you catch yourself in a negative conversation, remind yourself that it's possible. Others have faced similar challenges and succeeded, so you can too. It's essential to remove negative, do-nothing people from your life and to keep learning, growing, and developing yourself. Never give up, no matter what it takes. It's worth it.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this chaotic world. The longer you live, the more you'll realize that pain, suffering, and futility are the only constants. Everywhere you look, where there's light, shadows are never far behind. As long as there are winners, there will always be losers. The desire to maintain peace often sparks wars, and hatred is born from the need to protect love. These are the inescapable links of our existence. This world is our personal hell. Every belief you held dear, every hope, dream, or moment of happiness seems meaningless when you're faced with death. But does this make our lives pointless? Does it mean there was no reason for us to be born? Would you say that about our fallen comrades? Their lives were not in vain. Their memory inspires us, reminding us of courage and sacrifice. We, the living, honor their legacy by refusing to forget them. As we face our own deaths, we trust that those who come after us will remember us in the same way. My soldiers do not falter when confronted with this world's harshness. They press on, they shout out, they rise up. There was no scenario where the monster would win. I was always the underdog. The popular kid always beats the little guy. That's just how the world works.